Hello, I'm back. I got my nails done yesterday. I ended up doing an ombre. I've never done this with my girl Nancy, but she did an amazing job. I think this is going to be like my go-to color. I go to Emmy's Beauty on I-10. It's in the Napa Oaks Shopping Center. Every single technician there is amazing. Check them out. Emmy's Beauty, right near Fair Oaks Ranch. My husband and I are going to the movies. I never go to the movies. I'm just not a movie person because you have to sit there for 2 hours and not talk. I want to share what I bought in Naples. I didn't go to a mall. I didn't do any of that, but there was a little boutique in the hotel. We stayed at the Ritz-Carlton and I kind of walked around and just checked out all their little boutiques and stuff. So I bought a really cute bag that it was an impulse buy, but I thought this would be a perfect little summer bag, and it actually matched the color of the dress I wore for dinner on our anniversary night. They had so many different ones. They had one with like little bamboo handles, but when I opened it, it didn't really open a whole lot. Like, you're really limited. And then I saw this one and I thought, okay, this is the bag. This is the cute little bag that I purchased. It is super cute and very roomy. And I wore it with this little blue dress that I bought from Aritzia like a year ago. How cute is this bag, you guys? I'll make sure to link it. I didn't take a beach bag, and typically some of the hotels will give you like a little bag to put your like sunscreen. I actually went up to the front desk and I asked the young lady if they had you know, like a little bag that I can use just to take to the pool. And they're like, unfortunately, we do not have any. But she was so nice. She said that she can give me a $40 credit so that I can go to the boutique and purchase a little bag. I'm telling you, the Ritz-Carlton, 10 out of 10, y'all. It's just a little tote with the Ritz-Carlton. I think I'm gonna have my name embroidered here. But this is what I'm using for all my Bible studies things. Like, I have my Battlefield of the Mind in here with my little iPad, a notebook. So this is really cute. And I also, this is the one that I charged to the room. I bought a pink one. This is cute too. I'm also gonna embroider my name in this little tote bag. Super cute. But it's very practical. I was actually looking for a bag like this on Amazon and then on Etsy, but I'm glad that I waited because this is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. So those are the little tote bags that I bought, and then my little summer bag. One of my girlfriends works at Neiman Marcus and she posts a lot of things on her WhatsApp. So I was scrolling through all the pictures that she had posted and I came across these really cute shoes by Choo, and I was like, what? So I texted her and I asked her if they had a size 6.5. She's like, unfortunately, they do not make half sizes. They only make whole sizes, but she did hear that they were running a little small and she did have a size 37. And I said, that's fine. Charged them. It took me 2 days to get there so that I can try them on. And when I tried them on, they were big. I was like, what? I mean, as soon as I opened the box and I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. But they didn't fit me. There was one size 36 in the company, so she called that store, and she actually works with the gal that works at that store, and the girl told her that she could have them, so she ended up ordering for me. And you guys, they're so cute. This is like the perfect summer shoe, even going into fall. Like, I just think it's a really cute shoe, and I think I bought them for like 200, maybe 300. And if you go to the Jimmy Choo website, they're still regular price. But you guys, they're jelly shoes by Jimmy Choo. How adorable are these little jellies? I mean, to wear with like little skirts or denim or even little shorts, these are perfect. And I've already worn them one time and they're super comfortable. And they're very sturdy. But how cute is this little design right here? How cute is that? Super blingy. And you can adjust them just a little bit right here, but the size 7, like, they were a little loose, and then this part looked big on my foot. But these are a size 36 and they fit me perfect. Super, super good quality, y'all. They're not just like the regular jellies that we used to wear back in the 80s. Like I had every single color in jellies. I'm Generation X, and that was like super big. Everybody wore jellies. I had the white, the pink, I mean, you name it, I had every single jelly, but very, very different quality. So that's pretty much it. And then I did go to Madewell yesterday, and you know I love my tanks, and I saw this really pretty green tank. Where am I here? This little green tank right here that you can wear with jeans. I actually have some camouflage pants that I forgot I had. Maybe I wouldn't wear it with that because that's a lot of green. My transmitter is about to die. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That's all I bought. I'm gonna head out. I'm going to go, no, I'm not going. I just said I'm not going because I'm not gonna have enough time. Because I really want to watch this movie. And it's, like I said, it's very hard to get me to go to the movies. But let me show you my outfit of the day. This little skirt I bought in Hawaii. It's a little boutique in Oahu. And then this little top right here is from Zara. It's kind of like a little halter. Super cute. And then, of course, I'm wearing my J. Crew flip-flops. But that is it. Progress is being made in our laundry room. I will actually take you over there really quick. Yes, progress is being made. They're working on our laundry room every single day. So I'm super excited. It's gonna look so nice. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera around. There's no light, but this is what is happening. There were 2 drawers down at the bottom of these, my washer and dryer, but Josh took them out so that they can be a little lower because we're going to have a countertop now that we can fold. There's going to be some cabinets here, and then I'm going to have 2 floating shelves here. It's going to look so nice. And then my husband just ordered me a fold-out rack from Amazon that you can just kind of put back when you're not using it. And then I also bought a new light fixture that's going to match the rest of the house. It's really small because this area is like really, really small. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited about our little laundry room, and I think eventually we're going to get to our bathroom. That is it for now. I will check in later. Hey guys. Happy 4th of July weekend. I got my workout in. I did about a 45-minute upper body workout with Sydney Cummings, and then I cleaned the garage. I started purging, and I like to take these opportunities to do so because my husband is not here, because when he's here and I attempt to purge whatever's in the trash that belongs to him, he takes it out and thinks that we need it. So I ended up purging a lot of his stuff, but stuff that he doesn't use. Out of sight, out of mind, right? So I do have a big bag that I set to the side so he can go through, so he doesn't think that I got rid of all his stuff. So there's a little bag there so he can go through to see if he wants to keep anything. Anyway, really, really quick, because I'm waiting for these guys to get here so that they can lay our countertops in our laundry room. Anyway, my husband should be home around 1:30 or so with my monkeys. I miss them so much, so I'm super excited to have them all home again because the house is so quiet when they're not here. Okay, really, really, really quick. I bought these little dishes from Amazon, actually for candles, but I thought they were so cute to put my little baby Jesus in there because I leave these at the entrance of our home so that people can take. Like the delivery people or anybody that visits our home. So I bought these. They come in a little set. So it has a cross, the little fish, and then it has this little dove, which is really cute. So I am well stocked with my little baby Jesus. I like to throw these in my purse and just kind of scatter them wherever I'm at. Spread the love of Jesus, everyone. And then I also ordered a new atomizer from MFK. This is the Globetrotter. I had one that I bought in the set. I think I paid like $350 or $400 for the set because it's like for travel and it has the little cartridges that you put into the atomizer. But the last time I saw the atomizer was when we went to Hawaii. After that, I don't know what the heck happened. But I ordered another one. This one was $180. They do have a different color, which is kind of like a stone looking one, but this is the one that I had. So you just insert the little cartridge in there and it's magnetized and you can just drop this in your purse. I think I have 4 more of the little cartridges, but you can buy the cartridges after. But this is so cute. And I was so upset when I lost it. I mean, I looked everywhere. I don't know what the heck happened. But that's it. That's all I got. I do have some Amazon things to show you. You know, let me go grab it. Give me a second. I went to a Ritz yesterday. The whole store's on sale right now. My hair looks super flat because I put too much oil in my hair. Like there are these new drops by Kerastase that's supposed to give you a lot of shine. I think I kind of overdid it this morning. I digress. This is what I bought from Aritzia. I bought this really cute tube top. It was 20% off. I think the regular price was $40 minus 20% off. It is a size medium because the small looked too small. And I like the length, so it doesn't, you know, show too much belly. This dress, you guys, so I wore this exact same dress, but in an aqua color, and I love that dress so much. I bought another one on sale. I ended up buying the navy one, which is so beautiful. I don't have anywhere to wear it right now, but I just had to have it because it was on sale. It was also 20% off of $138. So I bought this one. They do have a really pretty baby blue one that I'm kind of eyeing, but I think this is a really safe color to transition into fall and winter. And then the back is so pretty too. This is a size 4, which is the perfect size, but how cute is this? But yeah, that's what I bought at Aritzia. I did try on a really cute little polka dot skirt that I thought I was going to buy, but I don't need it. I mean, maybe I'll get it. I don't know. I did put it in my cart, but I haven't submitted payment yet. So, but anyway, that's all I got. Oh, one more thing. I bought these from Amazon. These are the CoverGirl lip stains, an iconic darling. Y'all, these stay on all day long. I use them as a lip liner, and then I throw on a little bit of a Dior gloss. You guys have to try these. These are amazing. I love them. They dry up pretty quick, so that's why I kind of stocked up. But I love these. You guys need to check them out. They don't have too many colors, but the iconic darling is a really pretty, kind of like a berry brown color. But you guys try them out. Anyway, love these. And I also bought some more brow razors, which are wonderful. These are from H-E-B, but they do have them on Amazon as well. But yeah, that's what I got right now. I'm gonna wait for these guys to get here. Hopefully they come soon so I can take a power nap because I have been up since 4:30, but I didn't get out of bed till 5. So this old lady needs her cat nap. Outfit of the day, Reformation dress. I was wearing kitten heels, but I'm in my flip-flops now because these are way more comfortable. I was wearing a shawl, my little Valentino shawl to church. I always throw something over my shoulders. I watched this video on YouTube and this young lady sectioned off her hair and then she used I think it's called the Color Wow. I use the one for anti-frizz, but I've never used the curly one. So she would section off her hair and then she would spray each strand that she was going to air wrap and then she would pin it. Oh my gosh, her hair looked amazing. So yesterday while I was at H-E-B, I bought a small bottle of the Color Wow Curl. So I did just that this morning after I washed it. And you guys, it looks like I have a little bit more body in my hair. I did not pin my hair because I didn't have time, but I can see where there's a little bit more curl and my hair definitely feels a little fuller. I do have a lot of flyaways right up here. I have a lot of breakage, or maybe I had a lot of breakage and now I have like all this baby hair growing. But I love that technique. The only thing that my hair feels like it has a lot of product in it. I'm thinking I'm going to get more layers in this area right here and like down here, just so that my curl can hold a little better. But my hair has grown quite a bit. I cut like 6 inches off like in December, and my hair is almost to my bra strap again. I don't think that I'll ever let my hair grow as long as it was. I think I'm too old for that. I don't think, for me, this is just my personal opinion, to each their own. I think that that length hair for my age is a little too long. But anyway, I'm waiting for my husband. It's 11:30. He said 12 o'clock. We're going to go into town. I do want to go to Aritzia. I did see a really cute polka dot skirt that I want to buy. Hopefully they still have my size. If not, I'm going to have to order it. And then I want to go to Athleta. Hopefully some of the 4th of July weekend sales are still going on. But that's about it. I don't have anything major going on this week. But that's it. That is it. So we'll chat later.